Sage 100, formerly known as Sage ERP, Mass 90, and Mass 200, is an enterprise resource planning software that offers robust solutions for small to medium sized businesses across various industries. This cloud based ERP software allows businesses to automate critical functions such as accounting, inventory management, human resources, and customer relationship management. With its highly customizable interface and comprehensive suite of tools, Sage 100 helps businesses optimize processes, improve accuracy, and drive efficiency. In this guide, we will walk you through Sage 100's core features, key benefits, and provide step by step instructions on how you can use this software for your business needs. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the financial management. Sage 100 provides a comprehensive suite of financial management tools, including accounts payable and receivable, general ledger, payroll, and bank reconciliation. These tools are designed to integrate seamlessly, ensuring accurate and up to date financial records. This streamlines accounting processes, reducing the risk of errors and improving financial transparency, which is crucial for accurate reporting and decision making. Another key feature is the inventory and supply chain management. Sage 100 helps businesses efficiently manage inventory by providing real time updates on stock levels, order status, and supplier performance. It also integrates with supply chain management features such as order tracking, shipping, and receiving to optimize procurement and sales. This enhances inventory control by reducing stockouts and overstocking, while improving customer satisfaction with accurate order fulfillment. Another key feature is the manufacturing management. Sage 100 includes features to help manufacturers track production schedules, monitor work orders, and manage bills of materials. The software also integrates with inventory and procurement systems to ensure smooth production processes. This increases operational efficiency by allowing businesses to manage production processes, reduce downtime, and ensure that materials are available when needed. Another key feature is their customer relationship management or CRM system. Sage 100 offers a CRM module to help businesses manage interactions with customers, track sales leads, and monitor customer satisfaction. The CRM integrates seamlessly with other modules, such as sales and financial management, for better customer insights. This improves customer service and boosts sales by providing businesses with a comprehensive view of customer interactions, enabling personalized and timely follow ups. So, why is Sage 100 a great choice? Sage 100 stands out in the ERP market for its flexibility and scalability, making it an excellent choice for small to medium sized businesses. One of its greatest advantages is its ability to integrate various business functions into one platform, eliminating the need for multiple disparate systems. Whether you're managing finances, inventory, manufacturing, or customer relationships, Sage 100 brings all these functions together to improve efficiency, and reduce complexity. Moreover, Sage 100's robust reporting and analytics capabilities offer valuable insights, helping businesses make more informed decisions. The cloud based nature of the software ensures accessibility from anywhere, making it ideal for businesses with remote or distributed teams. With customizable features and modules, Sage 100 can be tailored to meet the specific needs of any business, giving companies the flexibility to grow and adapt as their needs evolve. So, here are some tips for maximizing Sage 100. So first, you can automate financial processes. So take full advantage of Sage 100's automated financial management tools. Automating tasks like invoicing, payments, and payroll processing will save time and reduce errors. Another tip is to utilize your business intelligence features. So leverage the reporting and analytics capabilities to generate custom reports that provide insights into your business operation. This data can guide decision making, improve efficiency, and highlight areas for growth. So basically, Sage 100 is a comprehensive ERP software solution that helps businesses streamline their operations, improve efficiency, and make data driven decisions. Whether you're managing finances, inventory, manufacturing, or customer relationships, Sage 100 integrates all these aspects into one user friendly platform. With its robust set of features, customizable modules, and cloud based accessibility, Sage 100 is an excellent choice for small to medium sized businesses looking to scale and improve their processes. By taking advantage of its automation, integration capabilities, and business intelligence tools, businesses can achieve significant improvements in operational efficiency, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. So, if you're looking for an ERP solution that offers flexibility, scalability, and powerful insights, Sage 100 is a solution worth considering. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.